Hello friends, welcome to the kitchen here in the cabin at St. Bernard Acres. I'm going to make dinner and I need a quick dinner. Just got done with all the lawn work and I'm hungry and I don't feel like grilling out on the grill. So I'm going to make an old standard. Used to have these all the time when I was growing up because we had nothing else. But bologna, egg, and cheese. Will make me some sandwiches. Doesn't take long, doesn't take much. Should be kind of fun, actually. Alright. There's also, I don't have to do much cleanup. The only thing I'm going to have to wash is the skillet here. Alright, let's get some bologna going. Got some thick, super thick cut Oscar Mayer. Oh, it is super thick cut. My kind. Yes, indeed. Alright. Make little cuts in it. I remember that. I should be able to, while the bologna is frying, fry the eggs. Love my mustard on mine, or mayonnaise on mine. Gail, Nick, nor Alex like bologna sandwiches. So this is my treat when I'm out here. I make sure I have some. I think I need a little bit more heat. Just a tad bit. Some people like their bologna fried to where it's kind of like black. I don't like that. I don't like it cooked that much. But I'm telling you, I did a lot of work today. It was pretty tough doing that, getting all that lawn done. Oh, and I'm gonna have potato chips with it. Bologna, egg, and cheese sandwiches and potato chips. That's a dinner for you. It's nice out here. I put a camera on the front of the door. I will try to stick the picture if I remember it in here. That platform that I'm doing, the room that I'm building for the water totes, there was a big old pile of bear poop on it that happened sometime during the week. So I took an extra camera I had, put it on the front of the house so I could see if there was a bear trying to go inside my house. I couldn't believe that when I saw it though. Holy crap. Man. Get to see my dirty kitchen. Telling you, it sucks. I haven't been out here for probably to spend the night maybe once in the last month because of work. That's why I got to give up work. We have to give it up. See how unlevel this is when I try to cook my eggs. That's not too bad. There you go. There's a roller. Get back up here. Get back up here. I think this frying pan too is kind of warped. So I got to keep playing with it. But see, I do actually stay out here. There's my bed. I didn't make my bed this morning. That's why I'm so anxious to get the plumbing done in that house and the electric on, because then I will have a regular bedroom out there. And I'll be moving into that house. Wow, that's hot. This might not be the prettiest meal, but it'll be good tasting. But yeah, hopefully in a couple weeks I'll have electric in the house and I'll have running water and toilet and tub and shower and everything. It goes to my septic system. I have decided that the rain catchment that I'm doing on the backside that I was going to use for the toilet water, I am going to put another tote there, so I have two totes catching rain. I will use it for the toilet and the washing machine, because that rainwater is clear enough and clean enough we can wash clothes in it. That will save a lot on what I have to buy, and once I get the well installed, it'll keep from having to tax the well so much. Alright. See if we can flip this. I don't have to worry about breaking it. There we go. That's looking right. This one is not quite ready. Gotta get that white cooking. Looks good to me. We are finished cooking. Now, how is that? Whoops, don't slide off of there. Get back on there. Like slide around on the mayonnaise side. How is that for a nice, quick, easy dinner? I'm happy. Hope y'all are. Bon appetit, everyone. I'm sitting down to eat.